Hey guys, I'm the Clever Carbuncle and welcome back to the channel for another pumpkin carving. So this year we're going to be doing a design based off the popular video game right now, Fortnite. An online game where you get to build forts, craft weapons, and battle zombie-like creatures or other players with your friends. So if you play Fortnite, you're probably already familiar with this llama right here, the loot llama. Llamas are kind of becoming the new unicorn these days, as they keep popping up throughout pop culture.
I didn't know that.
This wacky pickaxe in the game is called Rainbow Smash, and it is indeed a llama-corn. It's kind of reminiscent of the hobby horse weapon in the game Alice Madness Returns, developed by Spicy Wars. So I'm basing my design off of this pickaxe. If you want to see how this turns out, just keep watching. So I'm trimming my stencil a little bit to fit around the pumpkin. Once I have it centered, I tape it down. Next, grab a tool to poke holes along the lines of the stencil. We are going to be connecting the dots a bit later with a pen. Now we're going to connect the holes or dots we just made to the best of our ability. Having the design on your phone or printed out to refer to would help in this process. Begin carving. The eye on the llama is a pretty noticeable feature because it has a bigger surface to carve, but you want to make sure that you get the pupil just right. So when you're done, you can throw some glitter on it, carve Fortnite on it, whatever you want. So what better to complete your Fortnite pumpkin is to make some glowing shield potions. So there you go. Have a happy Halloween and enjoy the Fortnite Halloween event.